Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. Tiny New York City apartments often struggle with the same problems: wasted wall space, bulky furniture, poor layouts, dark rooms, overflowing storage, and clutter that makes every room feel smaller than it actually is. But what if the solution isn't moving to a bigger apartment? What if a few smart changes could unlock storage you never noticed, make rooms feel larger, create separate living zones, and transform even the smallest kitchen and bathroom into highly functional spaces? In this video, you'll discover practical space-saving ideas that can completely change how a tiny apartment looks, feels, and functions without expensive renovations. Watch until the end, because some of the most effective apartment makeover ideas are also the simplest and most overlooked. One of the biggest reasons tiny New York City apartments feel cramped is not the size itself, but poor furniture layout. Many renters push all their furniture against the walls thinking it creates more space, when in reality it often makes the room feel awkward and visually crowded. Another common mistake is placing too many oversized pieces in one area, which disrupts movement and blocks natural light. Smart layouts focus on flow, balance, and zoning. In studio apartments, creating visual separation between sleeping, working, and relaxing areas can dramatically improve how the space feels. A small bookshelf, slim console table, or area rug can act as a subtle divider without closing off the room. Designers also recommend leaving small gaps between furniture and walls to create breathing room and improve visual depth. Positioning furniture to maintain clear walking paths is equally important because cluttered movement patterns make apartments feel smaller psychologically. One practical tip used in many New York City studios is keeping the largest furniture piece against the longest wall to maintain proportion and openness. A well-planned layout can make even the smallest apartment feel organized, functional, and significantly larger. Most tiny New York City apartments don't actually lack space, they waste vertical space. One of the biggest mistakes renters make is focusing only on floor storage while ignoring empty walls, upper corners, and the area near the ceiling. Designers call these unused areas dead space, and in small apartments, dead space is lost potential. Installing floating shelves above desks, beds, or doorways creates extra storage without shrinking the walking area. Wall-mounted desks are another smart solution because they free up valuable floor space while still creating a functional workspace. Even narrow walls between windows or appliances can hold hanging organizers, hooks, or slim shelving systems. A practical tip many New York City residents use is placing seasonal storage bins above kitchen cabinets or closet frames to maximize rarely used upper areas. Keeping vertical storage in matching colors with the wall also reduces visual clutter and helps the apartment feel cleaner and larger instead of overcrowded. The goal is not adding more furniture, it is teaching the walls to work harder. Living in a tiny New York City apartment means every piece of furniture must justify the space it occupies. In small urban homes, multifunctional furniture is not just a design trend, it is a survival strategy. A sofa bed, for example, allows one room to function as both a living room and a guest bedroom without requiring extra square footage. Storage ottomans help hide blankets, books, or electronics while still serving as seating or a coffee table. Foldable dining tables are especially useful because they can expand during meals and disappear when more floor space is needed. One of the smartest upgrades for small apartments is a bed frame with built-in drawers underneath, transforming wasted space into hidden storage for clothes or seasonal items. New York City residents often prioritize furniture that reduces clutter while maintaining flexibility because cramped layouts quickly feel chaotic when oversized furniture dominates the room. A helpful design tip is choosing furniture with exposed legs or lighter colors, since bulky dark furniture visually shrinks a small apartment. In compact city living, smart furniture choices create both functionality and breathing room without sacrificing comfort or style. Lighting has a powerful psychological effect on how large or small a room feels, especially in tiny New York City apartments where natural light is often limited. One of the most common mistakes renters make is relying on a single overhead light, which creates harsh shadows and makes corners appear darker and tighter. Professional interior designers use layered lighting to visually expand small spaces and create a more luxurious atmosphere. Combining floor lamps, table lamps, warm LED strip lighting, and soft wall sconces helps distribute light evenly throughout the apartment. Mirrors also play a major role because they reflect both natural and artificial light, instantly making narrow rooms feel brighter and deeper. Placing a large mirror near a window is one of the easiest ways to amplify daylight without renovation costs. Warm lighting temperatures are usually more effective than cool white lighting because they create a softer and more inviting environment. Another smart tip for tiny apartments is using hidden LED strips under shelves or beds to add depth without consuming extra space. Good lighting does not only improve visibility, it changes how the entire apartment is perceived emotionally and visually. In tiny New York City apartments, clutter is not just a storage problem, it directly affects how stressful and overwhelming a space feels. Many city residents follow the philosophy of less but better, which focuses on owning fewer items while choosing higher quality pieces that are functional and visually intentional. One practical decluttering method commonly used in small apartments is the 90-day rule. If an item has not been used, worn, or needed within the last 3 months, it may no longer deserve valuable space in the home. Another smart strategy is storage rotation, where seasonal clothes, decorations, or rarely used items are packed away to reduce everyday visual clutter. Designers often explain that too many visible objects create mental noise, making small apartments feel chaotic even when technically clean. Impulse purchases are another major issue because compact spaces quickly become overcrowded when unnecessary items accumulate. A useful habit is waiting at least 24 hours before buying non-essential home decor or furniture. Open surfaces, clean sightlines, and carefully selected decor pieces help tiny apartments feel calmer, larger, and more luxurious without requiring additional square footage or expensive renovations.